Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to tell you has been validated by the mechanics in the shop where I'm working, so don't worry. This can be fixed. When your Honda Civic shows the message check airbag system, the first thing to do is stay calm. It doesn't mean your airbag suddenly broke or that the car is about to explode. Rather, your Civic is being cautious and saying, hey, something doesn't seem right in my safety system. Better let you know before something serious happens. Basically, it's looking out for you and your family. Many times this message shows up intermittently. Sometimes it lights up, other times it disappears. According to what mechanics report, this can be caused by temporary errors in the airbag modules like small electronic glitches. Turning the car off and back on can sometimes make it go away. But keep in mind, this only calms the system. It doesn't fix the underlying cause. One of the most common and easiest to fix issues is the battery or voltage. Yes, that same battery we sometimes ignore until the car won't start. A weak, old, or corroded battery can send strange signals to the SRS computer, and bam, the warning appears. Many mechanics say that simply charging the battery or tightening the terminals can make the warning disappear like magic. If the battery is fine, the next suspect is the wiring and connectors, especially those under the seats where the airbag and seatbelt sensors are located. Over time, vibrations, wear, or even moisture can loosen or dirty the connectors. Cleaning and securing them is often enough to make the message go away. It's like when a loose plug makes your lamp flicker. Just tighten it and it works. Another frequent culprit is the steering wheel clock spring, that coiled cable that keeps the driver airbag connected while you turn the wheel. If it wears out or fails, the computer sees a weird signal and triggers the alert. Many Civic mechanics have solved the problem by replacing this part, and it usually fixes the message for good. We can't forget about faulty sensors. Impact sensors or seatbelt sensors can fail or send incorrect readings, and the SRS system doesn't want to take chances. Using a specialized SRS scanner helps identify exactly which sensor is failing. Without it, you'd be guessing and could end up replacing perfectly fine parts. Finally, it's always worth checking if your Civic has an active recall. Many models have had campaigns to replace defective inflators or sensors, and that can resolve the warning at no cost. It's like the manufacturer already knows about the problem and fixes it for you as a courtesy.